Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing bacon and egg salad. This is absolutely perfect for any sort of festive type meal. So bacon, egg and chicken. Right, so I've got some chicken thighs here, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper straight to the top of our chicken thighs, just like that. Really nice and simple. I've got my barbecue sitting at a sort of medium low heat. I've got some rashers of bacon. I'm just going to put that straight onto my grill just like that, and these are going to take only a couple of minutes to cook all the way through. So just layer out your bacon just like that, and we're going to leave those for around about 60 to 90 seconds or so. And what we'll do then is we'll give those a little bit of a flip, and then we're only going to take about another 30 seconds, maybe a minute. We just want to give these a kiss of heat. If you want to have a crunchy bacon, well, go for it and burn it and get rid of all the beautiful fat flavor that comes with just a lightly kissed bacon. So we're going to give those a bit of a flip round. Now here's my chicken thighs. I'm going to give those a little bit of a spray with some spray oil, a bit of canola, and we're going to put that straight down on top of our grill. Our bacon is already done. It's removed from the grill. It's sitting on a tray on the side and keeping nice and warm. Now our chicken's going to go down just like that, and nothing wrong with a beautiful piece of chicken cooked on the grill, even though it is gas. I do prefer coals, but anyway, I'm digressing here. We're just going to do that, and the other side we're going to give that a seasoning with a little bit of salt and pepper as well. I just made a little salt pepper mix, not hard to do. Just put it all into a bowl, give it a stir. I've given those around about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to turn those over, and every couple of minutes I'm going to give those a turn, and I'm going to wait until I get an internal temperature of around about 74 degrees Celsius. There you go. Bacon's done, chicken's done. All I have to do now is cut that up. If I have to show you how to cut chicken, well, you're in trouble. Alright, let's make some croutons. I've got a little bread roll here. I'm just going to use a little serrated knife here and cut that in half. We want to make sure we've got nice little croutons and nice fluffy croutons, because a fluffy crouton is going to end up getting a lot more sort of edge burns or edge toastiness. So we want to cut it up into little pieces around about like that. I'm not going to say how you should do it. You do it the way you feel like you should do it. This is an idea, it's not a recipe. Alright, dry fry pan, put your bread in there, and that was a fresh bread roll, by the way, not a stale bread roll. It's going to go fresh and dry it out, get rid of all that moisture and get them nice and fluffy and toasty. Now I'm using my MS Teflon fingers to be able to stir that through. Yes, I do have MS and I do not feel much in the way. I'm going to make up a dressing. You make up the dressing that you want. I'm using a yuzu type dressing here, a little bit of coleslaw dressing, and I'm just going to add things and make a dressing that I like. Look, this works really great with a Cardini's Caesar dressing. I've done it in the past, didn't have any at the time, so I'm just trying to make up something that creates something pretty similar. I'll test it from time to time, try and get a flavour and try and get a taste and try and achieve something close to a Caesar. And it's a fun way to experiment, and if you're only making a little bit of dressing, it doesn't use up all of your pantry. But anyway, so some shredded lettuce straight into a bowl, a little bit of that dressing, give that a bit of a toss, and here is our shredded and cut chicken and bacon. That is all going straight in. Now earlier I've boiled a couple of eggs, 3.5 minutes, so they end up with a nice gooey center. If you don't know how to boil an egg, well, while you're watching this channel and while you're trying to learn how to cook, I'm not trying to be mean, but look, cooking an egg, pretty easy. Put it in the water, bring it up to the boil, 3.5 minutes, and it is done. Take the shell off, of course, because the shell is crunchy. Right, we're giving all of that a little bit of a turn. I'm going to put this down on a little platter, just like that. And that's our chicken, our bacon, our lettuce. How good does that look? We're going to add more to this salad. Alright, so there we go. We've done that. I've got my eggs. I've cut those into little quarters. And I'm just going to put those around this little platter, and this is great. You can serve this up on in the middle of the table, a little small plate each, pair of tongs, knife and fork, and everyone can get into it. Look, we're not finished there. Wait, there is more. We're going to add in some avocado, little slices of avocado, just like that. And avocados are in season and are just absolutely perfect at the time of filming and serving this particular meal. The avocado is going to give us real nice rich butteriness to the salad and carry beautiful flavors all the way through. Drizzle over a little bit more of your dressing of your choice, and if you don't like Caesar, don't use Caesar. If you like honey mustard, use honey mustard. If you like an Italian vinaigrette or whatever, use that. I'm giving you the ideas. Here goes our croutons. We're just going to dance those around randomly over the top of all of that, just like that. And before you know it, you're going to have the most amazing summertime salad. A little bit of fried shallot, Chinese fried shallot, that goes over the top, and that's just going to add another punch to this particular dish. Alright, like to see you try and make something like this at home. It is easy, it doesn't cost the earth, and it's really tasty. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Don't forget to leave a comment, because I read every single one and I'll reply to every single valid comment that is posted on the channel. And more importantly, if you want to learn how to make something pretty quick, pretty easy, and great for a summertime or a late springtime sort of a dish like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my bacon and egg chicken salad, and I will catch you next time. Bye.